Hello everyone! Ready to make the most of your garden this fall? Imagine biting into fresh, crisp veggies from your own backyard even as the temperatures start to dip. Today, we are diving into planting seeds from fall crops, and we are also going to touch on a unique drought-tolerant beauty ice plants. Stick around for some pro tips that will not only keep your garden thriving but also make it a stunning oasis. Plus, we will share some expert insights straight from the University of California, agriculture and natural resources that will take your fall gardening to the next level. First off, why should you consider planting in the fall? The cooler temperatures are actually a blessing in disguise. The soil is still warm, which encourages seed germination, but the air is cooler, reducing the stress on young plants. Plus, fewer pests and diseases mean less work for you. According to the University of California Agriculture, fall crops like kale, carrots, and spinach actually thrive in these conditions. As temperatures drop, these crops develop sweeter flavors, giving you some of the best tasting produce you will grow all year. Now, let's talk about the top crops you should be planting right now. Leafy greens like kale, chard, and spinach are no-brainers. Root vegetables like carrots, beets, and radishes also perform exceptionally well. Don't forget to plant some garlic and onions too. They will overwinter and be ready for harvest next spring. Research from the University of California highlights that these crops are not only cold tolerant but can also enhance the overall health of your soil, setting you up for an even better growing season next year. Here's where the magic happens. Getting those seeds in the ground. Start by preparing your soil. Add some compost or well-rotted manure to ensure it's nutrient rich. The University of California emphasizes the importance of soil preparation, especially for root veggies. Ensure the soil is loose and free of rocks to allow for proper root development. Plant your seeds a little deeper than you would in the spring. This helps protect them from unexpected cold snaps. And don't forget to water even though it's cooler. Seeds still need consistent moisture to germinate properly. Now let's pivot to something a bit more exotic, ice plants. These drought-tolerant beauties are a fantastic addition to any fall garden. Known for their fleshy, water-storing leaves and stunning daisy-like flowers, ice plants are perfect for ground cover or edging into your garden beds. The University of California notes that ice plants are not just pretty, they are also incredibly resilient, thriving in poor soil and requiring minimal water once established. To plant ice plants, choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. They can even grow in sandy or gravelly conditions, making them a versatile option for tough garden spots. Plant them slightly above the soil line to prevent water from pooling around the roots. And be careful not to overwater. These plants love to be left alone to do their thing, so they are perfect for low-maintenance gardeners. According to the University of California, ice plants are excellent for areas that receive minimal rainfall, making them ideal for drought-prone regions. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to keep your fall garden in top shape. Mulch your garden beds to retain soil moisture and regulate temperature. Keep an eye out for early frosts and have row covers or closhes ready to protect your crops. The University of California recommends documenting your fog gardening success and challenges to help improve your gardening practices year after year. That is enough today. Fall gardening is not only possible, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. Whether you are planting hearty veggies or adding some ice plants for a splash of color, there's plenty you can do to keep your garden thriving well into the cooler months. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more gardening wisdom. Happy planting and see you in the next video.